Okay, so today you guys have been asking about seeing other baby snakes hatching. So what we're going to cut today are baby ball pythons. Now, we're going to do this video a little bit different. We're going to do some genetics and talk about what's what and how's how and how to breed your ball pythons, some ideas. And you know what else we're going to do? We're going to include the people in the zoo. There's a few people out there, so maybe you get a feel for what it's like here on a regular day. It's not a weekend, and it's just a regular day. Got a visitor from out of the state, and a couple more people coming later. I don't know how many will be here during this video, but let's go make a video. So, oh, by the way, these are the eggs that have just started hatching. Oh yeah, see that? We got babies coming right there. So let's go make this happen. Okay, so we're gonna have some fun. JT's kind of in charge of the ball pythons right now, so he started breeding them. And he bred a spider, which is co-dominant, and a banana, which is spider banana. Same, it was in one snake. So it's two co-dominant genes with an albino, which is recessive. So every one of these babies will be het albino, unless somehow, some way, the banana was het albino, which we don't think it is, but you never know. We'd like to think maybe, yeah, anyway. So the idea of the genetics are that they're going to be half spiders, half bananas, and really half of those will be combined. So let's see what we get. So the first one I already saw. The first one, we got a crowd here. Where are you from? Salt Lake, Utah over here. Anybody else from out of town? Riverside. Riverside. Not nice. You from Riverside? Yep. Yeah, nice. Okay. So let's see what we got here. So we'll see if I'm right about this spider. And it's a spider. Man, it looks more than a spider. Wow. Oh. Why does it look like an anery spider? That's weird. It's this really pretty spider.
That one's getting old.
So the idea we're doing is cutting the eggs in order to let them out. And genetics are kind of unique. Well, here's a banana. At least a banana. Looks more like an albino.
Oh, got another banana.
Yeah, banana spider here too.
Yeah, nice.
Look at his head.
So there's a banana spider. Here's a banana spider. Look at that. Ooh, baby. Wow. So gorgeous. So every one of these is het albino, and so that means whenever something's recessive, that means that if the homozygous form, which is the complete form, is a mother or a father in the clutch, that every single baby of the, oh, there's another banana spider.
Nice.
I like the odds so far. Maybe we got a super spider. See, we haven't got a non-spider yet. And by the way, super spiders exist. So far every single snake's a spider.
Another banana spider.
Okay, we got her onto something here, guys. Something tells me our banana spider is, that's not a spider, but it's a banana.
Ew, so, it's so bloody.
Cool looking little spider. I mean banana.
So
no spider.
Genetics make it even possible to get a normal?
It does have the ability. Well, it will technically, none of them will be normals because they'll all be carrying albinism. But
right.
but looking normal, absolutely. We should have a normal here any minute. Technically, we're way over the numbers of.
Got another banana.
Wow,
so
that's crazy. Another spider.
Well,
So far, no normals, which is technically shouldn't happen, especially considering how many banana spiders we have.
Just a regular banana.
So this is a great first clutch of the season.
This ball python is wanting to go over there.
Okay. Oh, look at that, a banana. Wow, we're doing really good.
Liking these
Can you
odds.
back up?
Maybe we should just let the last two go. These are like have to be normals, but not today. Somebody thinks it's Super Sunday. So were you thinking you were going to be able to see this when you came from Utah? Did you have fun on your last trip?
Yeah.
Oh, look at that, a spider. So far.
Another banana, no normal.
Ah, I love it. So basically we should have had 25% normals, 25% spiders, 25% bananas. And guess what we got? All het albino. And we got 0 normals, and we got like 50% bananas. Let me see here. 1 banana, 2 bananas, 3 bananas, 4 bananas, 5 bananas, 6 bananas, 7 bananas, 8 bananas. How many eggs are there?
11 eggs.
11 eggs. We got 8 bananas and
3 spiders.
And 3 spiders. I mean, that's crazy. One, 2. Oh yeah, we got a bunch of banana spiders. So incredible odds, and it must be all the cool company. So hopefully you guys are all having fun. This is not an everyday event, but it's gonna be. We hatch a lot of eggs, and hope you guys are having a good time. We're gonna be putting up a lot of videos. I'm gonna post a video tomorrow of me jumping out of an airplane. What was I thinking?
Are you okay when you do that?
What?
Yeah.
When you cut the egg open, because they absorb the yolk when they first hatch.
Correct.
Good, because I was just a little bit nervous, because I'm nerd about snakes.
Well, then you should know. You should watch my YouTube and see the thousands of snakes that we hatch. So you know that what they do is we cut the eggs. What actually happens is we cut the eggs, and when they cut the eggs, typically when a snake cuts, so one snake cut, this snake here probably will crawl out before the rest because it had already cut. As soon as the eggs cut, they actually start inhaling air, and when they bring in the air, they actually pull in their yolk. It's all part of the process.
That's good, thank
Yeah.
you.
And so after that, they come out. And so what I do is I cut them to ensure that none of them drown. Everybody always worries, but the truth is by cutting them, you cut out the likability of one of them not having an egg tooth, not knowing how to use its egg tooth, being weak and not using its egg tooth. In the wild, that's part of the way that they lessen the weak ones to survive by nature. But we're not in. These aren't natural snakes, and this isn't nature. So we want them all to live. So we have a lot better success
That's good,
at
thank
cutting the
you.
eggs.
Thank you.
Yo, you're welcome.
And I missed how much time?
It was time because we let the first one cut.
Okay, got it.
So that's like the
That's
timer.
obvious. Got it.
Yeah, it's just like, okay, one's cut, so the rest are within 24 hours. Yeah, so let's, we used to just do it by date, but we quit doing that just mostly out of a different reason, because you can just about predict the date.
Absolutely.
So after doing them by temperature, the temperature determines the length of time. Like ball pythons usually cut at day 54. And 54 to 56, what day is it on this one?
56.
56. So those are usually one of the 2 days. If you cut them 2 days early, it doesn't hurt them. But we just chose to do it a little different and allow the first snake to hatch. Never miss the date then, right?
Yeah. And do they all naturally? You let them all naturally come out?
Correct.
From this point on?
Once in a while, when we're
Yeah.
cleaning up, we'll just be cleaning them up, and we already know they're absorbed, and we'll
Absolutely.
just start putting them away. But for the most part, we just let them all crawl out.
Thank you.
So, oh, you're welcome.
So when they breed,
I like snake nerds, by the way.
We all do. Because that's what we all
You have
are.
no idea how much of a snake nerd I am. I'm a snake nerd of all snake nerds, or at least one of the top ones. We're all snake nerds, having a good time. Hope you enjoyed the video, and hope to see you soon. Take care, guys.